Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry for JEE Mains step by step. Chemistry is often considered a high-scoring subject in the JEE exam, offering a great opportunity to boost your overall rank. We will cover strategies for physical, organic, and inorganic chemistry, along with general preparation tips. By following these methods, you can build a strong foundation and approach the exam with confidence, aiming for an excellent score. Physical chemistry often involves numerical problems, so a strong conceptual understanding is key. Focus on core topics such as the mole concept, atomic structure, and chemical thermodynamics. It is crucial to memorize all relevant formulas and practice applying them to various problems. Dedicate at least 2 to 3 hours weekly to solving numerical questions, ensuring you understand the underlying principles, not just the solutions. Keep a dedicated notebook for quick formula revision. Organic chemistry can be highly scoring if approached systematically. Begin by mastering general organic chemistry, as it forms the backbone for understanding reactions. Pay close attention to named reactions, their mechanisms, and the specific conditions required. Practice drawing structures and understanding different types of isomerism. Consistent revision of reaction mechanisms and reagents, perhaps using flashcards, will significantly improve your retention and recall during the exam. Aim for daily practice. Inorganic chemistry is largely memory-based, making it a high-scoring section. Focus on the periodic table, chemical bonding, and coordination compounds. Create short, crisp notes and use mnemonics to remember facts and exceptions. Beyond individual sections, consistent revision is paramount. Solve previous year papers and mock tests regularly to improve speed and accuracy. Aim to solve at least 25 questions from each chemistry section daily to solidify your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.